When you release an inflated but untied balloon, why does it fly across the room? Sounds like a poem or something there. So we've got a balloon here, and there's an opening where air is coming out of it. So we could describe this in a couple of different ways. If you ask a normal person this question, they'd probably say, well, because the air is pushing out of it. And that's not really a wrong answer, but let's explain that in physics terms. Another way someone would describe it using physics terms is that the normal force of the air as it pushes against the balloon is pressing back out of it. Newton's third law, there's an equal and opposite reaction which is, to everything, which is what's causing the balloon and the air to push away from each other. And that's true too. But we're in the momentum chapter, so let's explain this in momentum terms. Well, since we're just looking at the balloon and its relationship to the air here, we've now got what is known as a closed system where other forces are not making a big impact on this, even if there might be like a little bit of air friction or air resistance acting against it. So, in other words, the momentum here is going to be conserved. And since the air is the only thing pushing away from the balloon, and the balloon is the only thing releasing the air, these two objects are being pushed away apart from each other at an equal momentums with opposite directions. So that is why the balloon's going to fly around the room, because once the air is leaving it at that velocity, since momentum is conserved, the balloon has to also be leaving from the air at that same momentum, but with the opposite direction, so that our total in the closed system is still going to be 0.